Hi, Luna. How are you today?
Hi, Jack. I am great, thank you. How about you?
I'm good too. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English Learning Podcast.
Yes, we are happy you are here. Today we will talk about money.
That's right. Money is part of our everyday life. We use it to buy things, pay bills, and save.
Before we start, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our podcast.
Absolutely. Now, Luna, let's start with some simple questions. What is your name?
My name is Luna. And you?
I am Jack. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Jack. How old are you?
I am 28 years old. And you?
I am 25 years old.
Great. Where are you from, Luna?
I am from London, England. And you?
I am from New York, USA.
Nice. London and New York are big cities.
Yes, they are. Do you like living in London?
Yes, I like it. It is busy, but fun. And you, Jack? Do you like New York?
Yes, I like it too. There are many things to do.
That is true. Okay, let's summarize what we learned today. We learned names, ages, and cities.
Yes, we also practiced simple questions. What is your name? How old are you? Where are you from?
Try asking these questions in English to someone today.
Yes, it is a good practice. Now we are ready to talk more about ourselves.
Exactly. Next, we can talk about our jobs and families.
Now let's talk about our jobs and studies. Luna, what do you do?
I am a teacher. I teach English at a school. What about you, Jack?
I work in an office. I am a manager. I manage a small team.
That is interesting. Do you like your job, Jack?
Yes, I like it. I like talking to people and solving problems. And you, Luna, do you like teaching?
Yes, I love it. Teaching is fun. I enjoy helping students learn English.
That is great. Now, let's talk about our families. Do you have brothers or sisters, Luna?
Yes, I have one brother. His name is Tom. He is 30 years old. And you, Jack?
I have one sister. Her name is Anna. She is 25 years old.
Do you live with your family, Jack?
No, I live alone, but I visit my family on weekends. And you, Luna?
I live with my parents. I also see my brother every weekend.
That is nice. What about pets? Do you have any pets, Luna?
Yes, I have a dog. His name is Max. He is very cute. And you, Jack?
I don't have pets, but I like dogs very much.
Dogs are great. They are friendly and playful.
Yes, they are. Now, let's talk about money and jobs. Do you earn money from your job, Luna?
Yes, I do. I earn money every month. I use it to pay for food, rent, and other things. And you, Jack?
I earn money too. I save some money and spend some on things I need.
That is smart. Saving money is important.
Yes, we can also spend money on fun things like hobbies, travel, or eating out.
Exactly. Money is useful, but we must use it carefully.
Right. Now, let's practice some words we learned. Jobs, teacher, manager, family, brother, sister, parents, pets, dog, money, earn, save, spend.
Try to say these words out loud. Repeat them 2 or 3 times.
Great idea. Now let's summarize part 2. We talked about jobs, studies, family, and pets. We also talked about earning and saving money.
That's correct. These are important words for daily life.
Next, we can discuss our likes and dislikes. That will help you talk about your favorite things in English.
Yes, let's get ready to talk about what we like and don't like.
Next, We can discuss our likes and dislikes. Luna, what is your favorite food?
I like pizza very much. It is delicious. And you, Jack? What is your favorite food?
I like sushi. I love fish and rice.
Sushi is healthy and tasty. Do you like pizza too, Jack?
Yes, I like pizza, but I prefer sushi.
That is interesting. Now, what about drinks? Do you like coffee or tea?
I like coffee in the morning. It wakes me up. And you, Luna?
I like tea. I drink it in the afternoon. It is relaxing.
Great. Now let's talk about colors. What is your favorite color, Luna?
My favorite color is blue. It is calm and beautiful. And yours, Jack?
I like green. It reminds me of nature and trees.
Nice. Colors are fun to talk about. Can you tell our listeners your favorite color?
Yes. Try saying it in English. Repeat. My favorite color is...
Very good. Now, let's talk about animals. Do you like animals, Jack?
Yes, I love animals. My favorite animal is a dog. It is friendly. And you, Luna?
I like cats. They are cute and soft.
Cats are great too. Do you have a cat?
No, I have a dog, Max. He is very playful.
That is nice. Pets are fun. Now, what about hobbies? What do you like to do in your free time, Jack?
I like reading books and watching movies. And you, Luna?
I like painting and listening to music.
Painting is fun. What kind of music do you like?
I like pop music. It is cheerful and happy. And you, Jack?
I like jazz. It is calm and relaxing.
Music is everywhere. Everyone has their favorite type.
Exactly. Now, let's talk about dislikes. Luna, is there any food you don't like?
Yes, I don't like spicy food. It is too hot for me. And you, Jack?
I don't like fast food very much. It is not healthy.
That's true. Now, what about activities? Do you dislike cleaning?
Yes, I don't like cleaning. It is boring. And you, Luna?
I don't like washing dishes. It takes too much time.
Okay, let's practice some words we learned today. Foods: pizza, sushi, spicy food, fast food. Drinks: coffee, tea. Colors: blue, green. Animals: dog, cat. Hobbies: reading, painting, music. Dislikes: cleaning, washing dishes.
Repeat these words. Try to say full sentences. I like or I don't like.
Now, let's summarize part 3. We talked about favorite foods, drinks, colors, animals, and hobbies. We also talked about things we don't like.
That's right. Try saying your likes and dislikes in English today. Next, we can talk about daily routines and a typical day. That will help you describe your life in English.
Yes, let's prepare to talk about our day from morning to night.
Now let's talk about our daily routines. Luna, what time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up at 6 a.m. And you, Jack?
I wake up at 7 a.m., sometimes earlier if I have work.
That is good. After you wake up, what do you do?
I brush my teeth and wash my face. And you, Luna?
I do the same. Then I make my bed.
Nice. Do you eat breakfast in the morning?
Yes, I eat breakfast at 7 a.m. I usually eat eggs and toast. And you?
I eat cereal and drink coffee. Breakfast is important.
Absolutely. After breakfast, what do you do?
I go to work. I leave home at 8 a.m. And you, Luna?
I go to school. I start teaching at 8:30 a.m.
That is early. How long is your work or school day?
I finish at 3 p.m. And you, Jack?
I finish work at 5 p.m. After work, I usually go shopping or exercise.
That is good. Exercise is healthy. What kind of exercise do you do?
I like jogging in the park. It keeps me active. And you, Luna?
I do yoga. It helps me relax after teaching.
Great. Now let's talk about lunch. What do you eat for lunch?
I usually eat a salad or a sandwich. And you, Jack?
I eat a sandwich or sometimes noodles. Lunch is simple for me.
That is easy. After lunch, what do you do in the afternoon?
I work on my computer. I answer emails and make calls. And you, Luna?
I prepare lessons and help students with English.
That is important work. Now let's talk about the evening. What do you do after work or school?
I usually cook dinner at 6 p.m. And you, Jack?
I also cook dinner. Sometimes I eat with my family.
That is nice. Eating together is good. After dinner, what do you do?
I watch TV or read a book. And you, Luna?
I like listening to music or painting. It relaxes me.
Nice. What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 10 p.m. And you, Jack?
I sleep at 11 p.m. Sometimes later if I am busy.
Okay, let's review some words. Morning. Wake up, brush teeth, eat breakfast, go to work. Afternoon. Work, study, lunch. Evening. Cook dinner, watch TV, relax. Night. Sleep, go to bed.
Try to say your daily routine in English. Use these verbs: wake up, eat, go, work, cook, relax, sleep.
Yes. Repeat the sentences slowly. For example, I wake up at 6 a.m. I eat breakfast at 7 a.m.
Let's summarize part 4. We talked about a full day routine: morning, afternoon, evening, and night. We used time expressions and action verbs.
That's correct. Try describing your day in English. It is very useful for daily conversation.
Next, we can talk about evening activities, family time, and bedtime. That will be our final part.
Yes, let's finish the day with our evening and conclusion.
Now let's talk about our evening activities. Luna, what do you usually do after dinner?
After dinner, I like to spend time with my family. We talk about our day. And you, Jack?
I like to relax at home. Sometimes I watch a movie or a TV show.
That is nice. Talking with family is very important. Do you talk to your family every day, Jack?
Yes, I call my parents every evening. It makes me happy. And you, Luna?
I live with my parents, so we talk and eat together every evening.
That sounds lovely. Do you do any hobbies in the evening?
Yes, I like reading books or listening to music. Sometimes I paint. And you, Jack?
I like reading too. I also play guitar. Music helps me relax.
That is great. Evening is a good time to relax and enjoy your hobbies.
Yes. Now let's talk about chores. Do you do housework in the evening, Luna?
Sometimes I wash dishes or clean the kitchen. And you, Jack?
I do light cleaning. I tidy up my room or wash clothes sometimes.
That is good. Doing a little work every evening helps the next day be easier.
Absolutely. Now let's talk about bedtime. What time do you usually go to bed, Luna?
I go to bed at 10 p.m. I read a little before sleeping. And you, Jack?
I go to bed around 11 p.m. I like to relax and sometimes watch a short show before sleep.
Sleep is very important. It gives energy for the next day.
Yes, and before sleeping, I sometimes plan my next day. It helps me be organized. And you, Luna?
I also make a small plan for tomorrow. I write down things I need to do.
Great habit. Now let's talk about money in our daily life. Luna, do you use money in the evening too?
Sometimes I pay bills online or buy groceries. And you, Jack?
I pay for groceries or subscriptions online. I also save some money in my bank account.
Saving money is very important. It helps for future needs.
Yes, and spending carefully is also good. We can enjoy life without worries.
Exactly. Now let's review some words we learned today. Evening verbs: relax, talk, watch, play, read, clean, sleep, plan. Money verbs: pay, save, spend.
Try to say sentences like, I relax in the evening. I pay my bills. I save money. Repeat them slowly.
Good. Now let's summarize part 5. We talked about evening activities, family time, relaxation, chores, bedtime, and money habits.
Yes, remember, practicing English every day is very important. Try describing your evening in English.
Keep practicing. Talk about your hobbies, family, chores, and bedtime. It helps you speak naturally.
Thank you for listening today. We hope you enjoyed this episode.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share our podcast.
Yes, keep learning and practicing English every day.
See you next time. Goodbye.
Goodbye, everyone. Have a great day.